Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to create the test suite, which is the unit 3, and we will access the data from both Excel sheet and YAML sheet. So here I will create the final module. Just I can create new and test module, and here I will use the complete thing from Selenium. I will import the Selenium first, WebDriver, and import time, and now we have to import Excel reader and YAML data reader. So I can use from data reader, this is a package, dot Excel data reader. So we are importing I think data reader. So this is the class, and we have to import from data reader, import read YAML data, and we have to import unit test as well. So these are the things we needed, and this is the professional way. So now we will create the class my test shoot, and here I will use unit test dot task case, and the last unit also you can add, like you can prepare the HTML report using HTML test runner. So it's up to you how you are creating. So setup, and here self dot driver equals web driver dot chrome, and we'll create the test now. Def test login here, and I use a private variable driver equals self dot driver. That's fine. And now I will use try block and driver dot get the URL. So you can see the URL is paytm.com. Paste it. After that I will make it maximize the window. So driver dot maximize window method, this one. After that, if it's not loaded, then I have to handle the exception. So accept exception here as ex print not able to load, and I can use one placeholder as well, dot format, and here I will pass ex, save it. Now inside else clause we will write, let's say time dot sleep for 5 seconds. Now that's it. And finally we will create one def tear down, and here we will make self dot driver quit, and now you have to use if double underscore name double underscore equals double underscore main double underscore, and here I can use unit test dot main. That's fine. So now my framework is ready. Now I'll enter the data. So here first of all I need to click on sign in button. So you can see here. So I will close this completely, and just we will follow the steps. So the first step is I have to click on login or sign up button. So you can see here, this is the element, right? So here we are going to click. So we need to extract the data. Let's say selector dict, which contains all information about selectors. So here I can use data reader, YAML reader. Here you can see read YAML data. So read YAML data dot loader. So it will return complete dictionary. So now I can use driver dot find element by XPath, because we are saving their XPath, and selector dict, and key is You can see here, this is the test.yaml sign in XPath. And we will click on it, click, and that's it. We will try again, just we will verify once. So we will verify our framework first and then we will work again. So I will run it, Python run. I'm able to load paytm.com. You can use any web application. Process will be the same. So I'm able to click on login. Now I have to switch on frame and then I have to enter mobile number and password. So let's see how we can get this data. So that's fine now. So now the next part is I have to switch on frame. So here you can see we worked with the case study 2 and this is the data we are already having, test module.py, and here just I will copy and paste. So this is the final module, case study 2, and YAML reader will close all files, otherwise it will be very difficult for you. Yes, and I will close this thing also. This is the final project, test module.py, and now we have to switch the frame. So here I can use driver dot switch to frame, and here we have to give the frame reference. So driver dot find element by XPath, here XPath, and we have to pass here selector dict, and the key of selector dict will be in YAML file. So this is a frame XPath. I can copy the same. Frame XPath. That's done. Now just I will wait for some time.sleep for 2 seconds max. Now the next part is I have to use username. So username equals, here I have to find the element first. So driver dot find element by XPath again, and here I will pass the XPath. So what will be the XPath? Selector dict, and the key will be here. We are not doing any hard code here. So username is the key and I'm getting that key. Now the next is password. So driver dot find element by ID or by XPath, selector dict, and here you can pass the key. So the key is, you can see your password, and the last will be the submit button, password. And now you have to pass the data in username and password which is residing inside Excel sheet. So now that is useful. So we will get the data from Excel sheet now. So we will read the data first. So here let's say uname comma pwd equals data reader dot read for login. That's it. Now you can pass like username dot clear first, and then you have to do send key. So you have to send the key here, send keys, and you can pass uname which is going to extract from Excel sheet. So now time.sleep again for 2 seconds max, and then you can pass password dot clear and then send key. So password dot send keys. Here I can send a key like pwd password. After that, the next one is you have to wait for some time. Let's say time.sleep for 2 seconds, and here I need to submit. So let's say driver dot find element by XPath, and you know the XPath. Now I can extract from selector dictionary. The key is submit button. So key should match, otherwise it will not return the value. Submit button dot click, that's it, and time dot sleep for 200. Done. So now I will run it and let's see it's working fine or not. So paytm.com got loaded. Now it will click on sign in. Great. So now it will enter the mobile number which will be extracted from Excel sheet. So let's see it's working or not. Yes, it's working fine. Paytm password, and we are going to log in now. Great. So you can see now I will get the OTP number as well. So if I will enter the OTP number here, so I am having this OTP number, I will pass. So this is the OTP, and whenever I'll click on verify, perfect, it's working fine. So I will do log out from here, and even I will change my password so that you cannot be able to access. Okay, but if you are having Paytm or any account, you can work with any web application and you can create the test suite in this way. So you can see here there is a different package, different reader package, and this is the final module, and you can generate the HTML report as well. So you can add the fourth unit here. You can add here fourth unit. So fourth one will be reporter. So HTML generator we can say. So you can generate the report using HTML test runner. That done. So complete framework is this. So this is the structure of a framework. So this is a basic structure, but whenever you will work in the industry, you will get the same structure, and maybe there will be a big data here and like large amount of files. That is different, but the structure will be the same. And if you will work with the same way, you can be a professional developer. So this is the end of the series. Thank you.